Hello guys, this is my bike. It's a custom Colony low cut. It's named Donatello. It's by Lux BMX in Brizzy. It's got some sweet parts on it. It's got Colony mount joy grips, Colony bull bars, Colony variant stem, Colony fork, whatever you call them, Guardian forks, Colony contour wheels, Colony Cane Creek headset, Colony seat, Colony post, Colony contour wheel with a loud ass hub, Colony fantastic plastic pedals, Colony official sprocket with colonial cranks, integrated seat post, KMC chain. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike. It's done me pretty well. Haven't been able to ride it yet, so it's a shame. Yeah. It's got bullet caps. Give you a hub sound if I can. You get the idea, it's pretty loud. It's got, if you can see, it's got removable brake mounts here and there. And I'm running Aaron Ross tyres. Pretty good. Got lots of words and shit in them. It's funny shit too, so yeah. Hope you got a good view of my bike. Yeah. It's me bicycle. Yeah. Thanks for watching.